Hello, Terry from Jetmac. Just a quick demo on the new Loncin diesel jet washer here. Let's take a wee walk around it. So it's the new Loncin diesel engine. So here's the controls, how to start and stop. You want to start the machine, stop the machine, just let that up. You want to start it, just put that down, turn the knob. Okay, so hose reel, 30 meters of hose, and low speed pump, belt driven Annovi Reverberi low speed pump. Okay, let's start her up and see her go. Yep. Okay, so this machine's automatic decompression, so to pull start you don't need to do anything with decompression levers like the Yanmars. This just does it all itself, so it's just basically set this and one long pull with two hands. Quite easy started. In fact, it's the easiest starting diesel I've ever come across. You just need to watch that kickback, so that's what I say, two hands, just one long pull. And just walk around here, just show you the reel. So this is the reel. If you look at this side here, there's a little locking pin. Just pull the locking pin out, twist it, and that'll allow you to take off whatever hose you need. And then if you only want a certain amount of hose, just let the locking pin back in like that and it just clicks into place. Okay, so let's start her up again.